Hello. Okay. So, I haven't streamed in a while, but we've got a lot done since the last video. Let's see. Let's log in first. Hopefully the audio is not too loud. Just say if the audio is not too loud. And then I'll turn it down. We're gonna test with 2 accounts this time. We are also very near to releasing this app. It's been long enough, probably too long for the first. Yeah, it's been way too long for the first version. But here we are. See, hello Lassie V. Every stream is late. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so let's go through everything we've added since the last stream. So I've got rid of horizontal walls. We're going for like the cleanest layout possible. We've made a custom, like a custom logo. This is temporary. It's not that good. This logo is not that good. I made it. I know not much about logo design. Docs, that just don't look at that. Okay, no. We have member management. We've added. I think the last stream was on this one. I think we've added PWA support, some mobile support, although it's not that supported. We've added member management as well, a bit of member management. Okay. So, oh, I cannot edit 2PG's message. Hold on. Yeah, I cannot edit 2PG's message. Let me fix this thing. So message. There's a lot of things to fix. We're just finishing touches. That's what the stream's gonna be. It won't be over 2 hours long. It will be a short stream. My streams are getting shorter. It's probably because I'm starting them later. Okay. Just ignore the weird background noises. They're just normal here. I may live in an asylum somewhere. Okay. Yeah, so this is like a pre-release stream. Are you using Ubuntu? Yes. Alexa. Okay. So, I wasn't originally gonna stream this. I think I'm gonna make like a highlights video. Now, I think I'm gonna make one. I'm not. That's no guarantee. I've been recording like the offline parts. Okay, so this is the message object. The message object is huge and inefficient. 20.04 Alexa, that's the version. Okay. So hopefully it looks better without the HRs and things. I've also updated this user overview and added like a message preview. Oh, the message, okay, the things, when I updated them, like, when I added these features, they're not perfect. Manageable, can manage, so we want can manage. So ngf can manage, but, hold on, let me see. So we want is self or can manage. So is author self author? We can just do this. User service. User.id. I've done a bad job of making this app, I'll be honest. I think it technically counts as fixing this app, what we've done over the past few months, because it was in a very bad state. Okay, let's make that public. Alright. So we're going to make this public so we can access it here. And then we're also going to be able to preview the messages here. Let's fix that. So user settings, we're just fixing random things. Okay, there is a chance that we release it today. There's a chance that we do. If we get all these done, that is, then we might release it today. And that assumes most things work. Obviously, everything can't work. Rome was not built in a day. And this certainly was not. It took too long. I could have done it in less time, but I'm going to go into message. Preview messages. Sorry if I act a bit stupid today. My brain's a bit... It's not in the best... I don't know what excuse to make, but it could be better. I could feel better, but there we go. Preview messages. Hi, Marcelo. So author ID. So we have that. Message. Okay, so in message, we can pass in user or member or whatever. I think we should have public avatar URL, override avatar URL, or just avatar URL, string. And then we have up here, app avatar, somewhere. I think it's here. Avatar URL, or this. Okay, I think because Angular's very outdated, this template engine, I think we have to use or like that. There we go. Oh. Okay, and then we pass in the avatar URL like this. And then form.getAvatarURL.value, that should do. Hopefully I've done it right. There we go. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Oh, because I need to do it for all of these. Let's recheck. Okay. Now when we go over this, we can actually see what it looks like. By the way, this is Latin. just to note. Okay. Again, there's a MongoDB error, like email thing, but that's with some plugin that I downloaded. That's their bug. Hi, it's me, gamer. Hi, 14FCF 25. Okay. I've also added this add friend prompt and creating guilds. There we go. So this is what messages currently look like. I think the emoji picker works, but it works here instead of anywhere else. And then it doesn't close. Okay. Invites, let's test invites. Oh, it did not delete, that is an issue. Okay, why not? Okay, I also added this attention if someone told you to pay something. If someone told you to type local storage.getItemKey, then they're scamming you. Also, speaking of getting scammed, we can make it harder for people to scam you. Let me write that down. For people to hack you, not scam you. What Discord does is basically they do this. I think they just hide. They just hide local storage key. Hello, Ado. Hopefully I said that right. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the ideas section. Too many ideas written down. By the way, ideas from previous streams, I do have most of them somewhere. Just to know. Also, I did redesign the roles, so there's less actually on the screen, and then the info is here. That's creating a role. Currently the roles are all broken, just to know. This is what a mention looks like. There we go. This is us editing a message. There we go. Also this, I've tried to add role management, but I don't think it works at this time. So we're gonna have to, pretty much everything I've added, it does not work fully. We'll fix it. Hello, it's me, gamer. Please make a good reporting system. Ideas that I might remember. I might remember. Avoid getting hacked. So there we go. So we're gonna have like an alpha system where there's gonna be limited users. It's not going to release yet, it's nowhere near ready. I think a lot is broken for it to release, like fully, but it's going to have an alpha release at some point in April. So this is what we need to do this stream. We have like an hour and 30 minutes to do it. Hopefully it's possible. Also, one last thing, I did add this profile thing as well. So when you click a avatar URL, you get mutual guilds, etc. I lost my account from Discord because of 2FA. Yeah, 2FA is annoying. I did lose like an account somewhere for 2FA, and they didn't reset it. It took them like a month to. This is not Discord, but it took the company a month to actually respond, and then they didn't do anything. They told me to make a new account. How do you get in the alpha thing? If you're watching the stream, you have a high chance of getting in. If it releases the stream, it probably might not. We'll see. Okay. So we're going to work on the home page. Okay. So we need to sell our app to users here. Might be hard. Why they should not use Discord, basically. Thomas, I always watch every stream, not fully though. I don't think anyone watches fully. They're too long. But basically it's testing. That's what it's gonna be. Okay, so it says chat with ease. Let's write something there. Okay, switch to Accord from Discord. That's what we're trying to do here. Okay. It's probably not worth switching yet, but it isn't. Not yet. Ditch Discord, ditch Discord. I think Discord's like motto was ditch Skype. At some point it was ditch Skype and get Discord. And then Gilded is like drop Discord. We're gonna ditch Discord. Go Accord. App, yep. Hello, Ludix War. Did you complete the profile? Yeah. Okay, add friend should work, but I need to fix the friends. Pretty much everything, a lot of things are broken. A minute. They usually are. We are going to fix that. Yeah. School is boring, but I need knowledge. Badges soon. So what idea I have for badges? Badges. I think I'm gonna have them like custom designed. Fiverr.com for badges. I think if we do the badges really well, then people would actually pay for them. They're not like there'll be like a Accord boost or whatever, Discord Nitro. There might be badges for that. And then there'll be exclusive badges for like alpha testing. So one of the badges you pay for like Discord. So that'll be the Accord boost, whatever we call it in the end. Okay. Can you help with Discord bot list source code? Okay. Life of Scroll, hi, hello. Okay, so ditch Discord, go Accord. That's our little motto. Although I would not ditch Discord if I had the choice right now. I wouldn't, to be honest. Okay. Need to eat, be right back. Okay. H2. Oh, that looks epic in my opinion. I think. Wait, we could have different colors for the logos. I haven't been on these streams for a while. Hello, Dank reporting. Is there a source code for this? There is. It's located here, but it has the name Decline, which is actually outdated. So it does have 2 domains at the minute. Okay, I will say something about the name Accord. After buying the domain, which costs like a lot of money, I realized there was another Discord claim called Accord, but it's too late now. There's already another one. I think this was before we even made the Discord clan or started it. I did not do my research. did they even get Discord? How did they even get Discord? It means disheart. I think accord is actually the opposite of Discord. It means... because Discord means lack of harmony, accord means harmony. Okay. I think there was a GitHub, but there's no link again. There still is a GitHub, but it was located here. Yeah, it was located here, but now it's here. Also, this logo is temporary again. Also, I apologize for being dumb this stream, but I'm in a very dumb mood today, so... dumber than usual, anyway. Yeah, we don't need the images, so we're gonna get rid of them. Every messaging is encrypted. That's not true at the minute. We might add like encrypted messages at some point, like Telegram. I think that's the plan. Custom themes. We're gonna have custom themes here. Oh, we already have it. What about user channel and role IDs? Have you finished that? Yeah. I'm not sure what you mean by that. But user channel and roles pretty much completed that. So nearly all the features planned for the first release are either complete, apart from one, or broken. They're either complete or broken. The last feature we need to add is actually kicking or banning members. And that's pretty much it. I want to make an API for this. Okay, so there is already an API, but do you mean like a bot? It will be quite... yeah. There will be a bot library eventually that's complete. Bots are not going to be released with this update though, because I've not finished with them, and they're quite an advanced feature. Okay. Are we able to make bots too? Currently yes, although The bots are pretty much mostly done apart from adding them. That's the only thing that's not been fully implemented. But that's delayed to another update. So what I did is I just redirected it here. Technically you can make bots. Maybe if we can go here. Let's see. Applications ID. Yeah. Okay, no. What about IDs? Do you mean like getting IDs? I think I've done most of that, apart from guild IDs. We also need to add remove guild, leave guild. You can join guilds, but you can't leave them at the minute. Okay. Wait, someone's already made Accord app. Oh my days, what are the odds? I didn't realize it was dash app. Okay. What is this? Accord subserver, what's that? Is this the API? I don't actually know what this is. It's in the Go language. Can we make an API appcore.js? There technically already is one, but it's in development. It'll be released like in a future version. Okay. Homepage. Oh my days. Keep getting distracted. Super secure. It is not super secure, to be honest. That is a lie. Not yet, anyway. It will have SSL, but it's not like... That's just standard security. Easy to use, that could be one. Easier to use than Discord, because we're comparing it to Discord. Sorry if I don't read chat that much. I just need to get this done. Otherwise we can't really release it this stream. Okay, easier to use. Okay, so easier to use, yep. Accord gets started quicker with Accord. And user interface. Okay, what have we got? I guess people could make a library and stuff with the API. That is correct. I think that would be cool. Like, if people could make these bot websites, I'd encourage that. Like, if someone made like a Me 6 for this app, I'd be very like impressed. But there are a lot of differences with like the I guess someone could like adapt the code of the API wrappers for Discord and make it a Accord wrapper. It's an interesting idea. Built for, let's say built for efficiency. Okay, is it built for efficiency? I'm kind of gonna lie here a bit. Actually, the current loading system it would be quicker to like send messages and do things on Accord than Discord, to be fair. Because we don't have a loading, like long loading thing that Discord has. Get more done. Okay, also oh, what is this? Didn't even realize this was a thing. What we do, I think we need to make this float left. So yes, I am getting ahead of myself all the time. That's what I do on all the streams. Let me just go back again. Okay, get more done. Custom themes, easy. Chat. So what's the copyright deal with this? If Discord is going to do something, so pretend I'm asking about that. How you pretended from Discord, because the only thing we're using of Discord is the name, which may be a word mark, like trademark. So if Gilded is a Discord clone that's using the word Discord, so if they're not getting sued, chances are that we might not, or I might not. But wait, Discord trademark, we're gonna have to look that up to confirm. I think we should be good. I don't think Discord have patents about their chat app, because Gilded has pretty much copied that. So patents are actually, patents is like copywriting how to make an app, basically. Like a method, it's like copywriting a method, that's a patent. And Gilded is pretty much kind of copied that, so yeah, I don't know what to type here, so I'm just gonna get rid of it for now. Okay. Submarine, I think this submarine's a bit too low, so I'm gonna move it up a bit. Yeah, I have no idea what to write here. See how, get more done, see how. Maybe we can have like a demonstration of using the app at some point. Can I get some E's in the chat? Okay. Let's get some E's in the chat. E. How will you host this type of app? That is a good question, Oreo. Won't it cost money? Now, it depends. Okay, so currently, I'm gonna start off with a Raspberry Pi 4. I already have one that's hosting a few apps. Now its uptime is not perfect. It's getting better, but at its best, like some minutes of the day, it's going to be offline for because of Wi-Fi issues, etc. So I might have a backup like host, a low power, like a low cost backup host, probably AWS or something, not DigitalOcean, because I think we should have like a pay-as-you-go thing so that I don't get scammed. So it doesn't cost $5 per month to host a single Discord bot. I used to pay that. It's kind of a scam, especially when the Discord bot's in a few servers. Hello, Gabriel and Theo and Chill. Can I try the Discord when it's released? It's planned to release in April. It's almost ready. Okay, we've pretty much done the homepage for now. Make friends work, so we're gonna make the friends work now. Hello, Coldberry. Is that code gonna be a thing? Yes. I think there's too much spacing here. There might be. Okay. So let's fix the friend system. Hey, hello AMG. I'm excited for this. Me too. Okay. Add friend, so this to add friend. There's a lot wrong with this method. I have not updated this method, hence the reason it is not currently working. Okay, so now there might not be a DM channel, so if no DM channel, or if DM channel, then push it. Yep. That should work. Can you give a code file in the description? The code is here. So github.com/d-clone. It will probably change in the future because it's not called dclone anymore. But yeah, I should probably add this in the description if I haven't already. Maybe I forgot. Hopefully not. Okay. Yeah, so that should work. Let's add 2PG as a friend. Don't know if that actually sent. Let's see. Oh my. Okay. Are you planning to add subscriptions like Nitro and such? Maybe. That might be part of the plan. I think so. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Gone. Okay, so deleting the friend request just worked. I think I have to refresh to actually... So if I add 2PG as a friend, and then it's not here, when I refresh, it is here. Let me just fix it. Okay. Almost. I think for friend requests, for pending requests, we could have like outgoing. Like we could list them. So we have pending here. And then we have outgoing and incoming. We could like order them in groups, so we could have it like this. Probably gonna go like this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put this like after the member username. That's not good. Okay. Oh, so this is taking up a lot of space. Okay. Okay, we'll just have it like that for now. We don't want to spend too much time on one single feature. I guess that is alright. We're just gonna have loads of friends that are outgoing. Let's actually try to add a user as a friend. Let's mess around with that. So currently we're logged in as optical monitor. Let's use more easy to use work with names like solid state. You know, optical. There we go. OG names. Back. Anything happened? Not really. So we're currently using 2 accounts now. We're testing with 2 accounts. We're gonna add solid state, and we're gonna open the console. So the desired behavior is for optical to appear here. So it says receive add friend, which means we're getting something, but we're not actually updating it. Is there going to be bots that we will be able to make? That is the plan. Oh, we've already added bots, but we've nearly finished the bots actually, but we haven't added the ability to invite them to the guild, so that will be delayed until another release. We don't want to release too many features at once, especially if it hasn't actually released yet. Okay, so this is not actually outgoing. It's not an outgoing friend request. It's an incoming, which means we did not send that. If we refresh, this should be outgoing here, yes. Incoming here, that is the desired behavior. Hold on. Oh my. If has sent request. If hasn't sent request, then we're accepting it twice on both users. Okay, so we don't want to do that. Just test this. I want to use Linux, but I need Windows for software that I need for school. Linux is not good at everything, that's a warning. I think the only streaming software on Linux is OBS. That's it. Yeah, I tried to use another streaming software so I could see in... I can't currently see like the screen, it's all blurry. It's because I'm streaming at a high resolution than I can see, so it's all blurry. So it's upscaling. Yeah, so I tried to fix that, but I didn't find anything for Linux, and there's the video editing software is much limited. So you have much less options for software on Linux due to lack of support. I think games, like most games, will work on Linux, I've heard, but I haven't tried it. So what we want to do for friend is just that, and then let's just test all of these. Word. Okay, so that makes the test fail. That's not what we want. Hold on. Maybe there's a plugin to fix that. There probably is, but to use a plugin to fix this, it's not like the best solution. I'll probably add more bugs to the Windows software that you're using on Linux, because the plugin might have loads of bugs that it introduces. It's just an assumption. So there are going to be bots for Accord, and that means there will be an API for Accord 2. There will be an API for Accord 2, for Accord, but so the API is actually WebSocket based mostly, and it's also HTTP based. So sending events looks like this. So you type to remove a friend, this is what code you do. Instead of bot.remove friend, it would be this on a bot. I don't know how to make an API for Discord, like discord.ts, I have no idea. But if I learn, I can help. Okay. How do we start building our own Discord framework, like discord.js? So Discord is slightly similar, but it's mainly HTTP based. Well, I think it is. It seems to be. If we go onto Discord docs, I know I'm going off track, like, I can't help it, but during streams, I have to, like, react to chat, so we don't get too much done, but hopefully that's fine. So, if you look, like, pretty much everything you can do with a bot is HTTP based. I think everything is. So you'd send like a GET request, something like this, discord.com. You won't type in the URL bar, you'd have like a script doing that. So essentially, you type like Discord endpoint, something like this. You'd use a fetch request. You type in your authorization or your headers, the method. Like, I think I'm doing it right. I think that's the method. It would be get in this case, or you can do post, etc. If you're doing a post method, then you would type this, like the value here, like object. You could use node fetch. You can use whatever HTTP thing that you want. I could go into more detail about it, but probably not now. Okay, so what is going on? Send friend request. So if it's not pending update. Yep, that is correct. Okay, it's not there. Yeah, better a solution that is not optimal than none. You should work at Discord or Accord. That's another option. $0.10 per hour, probably less. High wages. Okay, so both users add each other creates one DM channel. So somewhere it's not creating a DM channel. It's because when we get rid of this, it doesn't actually create a DM channel, which is very weird. I might be being dumb at the minute. We only want to send a request if they have not sent a request. In fact, it doesn't actually matter if they've not sent the request before. We don't have to write this here. We don't have to write this here either, so we can just do that. Only in one place it needs to be. Okay, I will say this. If we don't release it today, next stream should be the release stream of Accord Alpha. I don't think we'll get it done today. I was kind of expecting that though. It's because I have to go in like 30 minutes. It's very awkward. To be somewhere, but hopefully I'll stream again soon after this, because my streaming schedule is very bad at the minute. Stressful? Probably stressful. So like you have better Discord for Discord. If someone makes something like that for Accord, would it be allowed? Better Discord to Discord. Why is it against the TOS? Let's see. Security issues, is that why? Seriously? I don't know. It depends. Depends on our TOS if we allow that. At the minute, probably, but if it actually is unsecure and it poses a threat to the users, it's probably not good. I guess if it's like follows all the security principles, then maybe like if it's as secure as Accord, then we consider it. Is there voice channels? That is planned for another alpha release. When it's online, will it mostly work mostly like Discord itself, such as surfers and stuff? It should do. But it is a simplified version. View secret channels. It really depends on the features. Make it hard for someone to pull your IP. I think we're going to use WebRTC, client to server, so not peer-to-peer. So it should be very hard to do that. So I think Discord use that model. They have like separate voice servers. Send requests, let's do that. It is not updating now. I think that's a problem with the test. Okay, let's just remove this request. There we go. Let's resend it to solid state. Okay, the tests were right. It's easy to pull IPs on Discord. Is it? Hopefully not on voice channels, but if you mean like IP logging, then yeah, it should be. It would be. And I have an idea, hold on. There could be like Chrome extensions. We could have like I think, thank you Thomas, I think this is, okay, I think that's your idea there, mostly, but we could have like an extensions feature at some point. No guarantee, it's just an idea. Discord have not done that before, I don't believe. That would eliminate the need for better Discord or anything like that, because extensions would just add like features to Discord. However, if you're using Chrome, then if you're using Google Chrome, I guess Chrome extensions would work, but if you're on iOS or mobile or something, then there won't be Chrome extensions probably. So having them built in might be cool. I think we're doing that with bots, where we can just add bots, like pressing a button. Okay. Nitro is free on Echo. I think some features, like, we might make some features on Discord free on Echo, like GIFs. Maybe GIFs might be 3. It depends if we can think of like more incentives to buy it. Different ones, but maybe. Free GIF advertise. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try catch this. Then, okay. This to add friend, we don't need this here, we can have it here. Const DM channel. Oh, wait. Okay. Are you almost done with Accord? Yep. Almost. I am Discord staff, are you? Are you actually? I love you videos, thank you. I don't know if you're a Discord staffer, that would be interesting. Custom avatar borders. Okay, I thought of an idea. I don't know if it's any good. Like Reddit, like some subreddits have like custom themes, server themes, guild themes, designed for guilds. I don't know how good that idea is. The alternative to that is like a theme marketplace. These are like future ideas that probably won't get added, but theme marketplace. It depends if they're good, but depends if I actually hold on. We have to release the app first before we add anything like that. Oh no. WS event args add friend. Ah, that's why. This is different. Okay. So this is for callbacks. Will you make an app to download or just web for now? We're going to use personal web apps for downloads. So, for example, let me just do an example of a PWA. PWA example, let's see. Let's just use a random one. PWA example, so let me demonstrate. So this is what I think it works on mobile as well. That's not it. Okay, so if you look here, it says install. Someone suggested this, and this is the app. So it loads much faster. I think we've already added that though. I've already added support. It doesn't work offline though. We can't test it in development. So it's much faster here. I think it works from mobile, but I have not tested it there. Hold on. An easy build. Can you add an easy build built-in report system? Currently there is no report system, but I think it's worth adding. So we need WS event args, but we need it like without the callback. Now, that's a problem. We could like generate this twice. That would be annoying though. I think we should do this. WS. Now I'm gonna struggle with TypeScript for a bit. So it's going to be async args, which means we don't use the callback. I don't know why I'm using callbacks in 2021. It's quite outdated. For emit, we don't want callbacks. We want async. Otherwise we might end up in callback hell. Welcome Josh E. Flick. Hopefully I said that right. This is callback hell. We don't want it to look like this. It could very well look like this. That's we don't want it to though. That would be bad. So I think we should like phase out these callbacks because I don't really want to use them. Or we could. I don't know how to like remove the function to just have it like this. I don't think this is possible without having to type it manually. I guess we could have it for manually right now. There we go. Ready, args ready. Okay, nearly done. It doesn't have a lot of stuff to add compared to what there was to add a long time ago. Be right back for 2 minutes. Just going to the toilet. Okay, sorry for that. Hello. I think everyone just left. Usually if I go for like 1 minute, just stream ends. I got to go. I hope Alpha does not come out. Not yet, anyway. don't think any Discord clients will be the original Discord. I agree. Discord is a very... I don't think it's going to be better than Discord as a whole, but it's going to have some features that are better than Discord's, or that Discord doesn't have. Now it's going to have, like, custom themes are one feature Discord doesn't have, and that's one reason why better Discord exists. So, yeah. WS event async args, okay. So this is just, we only use this in one place, which is this method. WS event async args. Because we're getting rid of the callback, basically. Yeah. Yeah, messages don't count because they are not a union type of params. We don't send a message to the WebSocket and then get it back, get the same one back. So these events here just are joined with these basically, and I did add loads of comments that describe what these events mean, etc. And hopefully I'll generate docs with like TS docs, so that it explains everything in the docs. That should be easy with TypeScript. Okay, P and A. Let's see. So you want to get the DM channel if there ever is one. Okay. What do you think of Gilded? I think it's pretty unique. I think it's pretty unique. For what it does. I think Discord has gone more general than gaming. I think it's more oriented to gaming itself, so I think that's a cool flavor to go for. Because Discord now appeals to more people. Okay, there's a cat like right next to me now. Okay, DM channel. So that's what we want to get. Do you prefer TypeScript over JavaScript? Only for big apps like this, but for smaller apps I'd use JavaScript. It depends on the scale of the project at the end of the day. Okay. I'm being very dumb at the minute, hold on. Okay, so we want to access one of these, so we're passing in a name. So we pass in a param. So a param is what we send to the server, it's what type we send to the server, and then how we should send the object to the server. That just describes that. Wasn't a good explanation. So we specify what kind of data we are sending, and we want to find out what kind of data we are getting back. DM channel, did I fix it? Oh, okay, well, there we go. I think it works now. And we don't need to type these callbacks anymore, we don't need them. Why don't we need these callbacks? Read chat in a minute. I think we could do with these callbacks in one place, but I think it's on the sidebar where we get all the events. There's like a global object where we get every event. We're gonna do it on there. Callbacks are when we don't know when we are going to get a response from the WebSocket. It could be any time. We use callbacks for that. I'll read chat in a sec. I don't know if it's a good idea, but hosting the service has enough processing power to host Discord. Accord. I'm not reading the chat in chronological order. I've been setting up my server right now, Minecraft server. The stream was running. He was also speaking and I ignored it. Lol. Okay. What hosting service do you mean? If you were to build a project right now, what would it be? It would probably be... Let's say I didn't... Let's say I hadn't actually made anything. Let's say I haven't made any projects before and we're starting from fresh. Let's also say I want to do it for money. Money is a goal. I think money is kind of a goal with this, but not primary. I don't think having a goal of primarily being money is a good idea. It's not really that motivating. But I think the main reason I'm remaking Discord is because I have a lot of experience with it. If I didn't have a lot of experience with Discord, maybe I'd make like a YouTube clone or something. Maybe that's too generic. Or like a it depends on how much you already know, really. I think I'd still make a Discord clone if I had the choice now. Add friend. We don't want that there though. The reason we don't want this on friends list is because we might not have the friends list actually loaded. And yeah, the sidebar is like always loaded whilst you're using the dashboard, and we can get an event at any time, and that's why we want this. But on the friends list, it's only loaded when we're on the page, and we're gonna have to refresh when we want to see who's actually added us as a friend. When are you releasing? When everything's ready. I think there's a lot. Yeah. I think if I were making this again, there's a lot in this project that I kind of wasted. There's a lot of waste that I did. For example, there's a lot of features that I've added that I've removed in the end or changed significantly. So I'd start out like all prepared if I were to do this again. I'd be more familiar with WebSockets. I had no idea what a WebSocket was before starting this. That's how I learned what a WebSocket was, through experience. So now I have the experience, I would know like exactly how I'm gonna add the feature, and that's, if you have that, if you know that knowledge, if you have that knowledge, sorry, you're gonna know what to do, and you're gonna minimize waste, because you'll know not what to do, what not. I sound very dumb at the minute. What not to do. You know what not to do. Accord. So Accord is only for PC. Welcome back, Thomas. So Accord is only for PC at the minute. Obviously, I won't want it only exclusively on PC. That's not forever. At some point, we're gonna add mobile support. You can use it on mobile, but if you check like the use desktop site, which you can do on Chrome, on mobile Chrome. Not sure if you can do it on Safari, but you can do it on Android. Although it is from a phone, and yeah. This stream's alpha. I have to go in like 5 minutes. I did spend like the stream talking to chat. I don't want to ignore you, chat. I do a lot of offline development, so when we actually, I might finish these on offline, and then I'll come back and make a release stream, an alpha release stream. We're just gonna assume like the streams are gonna be unproductive, like for the project, but I'm gonna answer a lot of questions. So it's productive for like planning and things, I guess. Like deciding what to do, because we get a lot of good ideas from the suggestions. Hold on. Okay, args, add friend. So this is... Okay, so we need to get rid of this here. Add username. Ah, so this is just emit async. This is when we actually add it. How do you make it look like that? I mean the... Oh, you mean this? That is... Linux. Let me just... Okay, here's the version of Linux, the exact version of Ubuntu I'm using. This operating system is free. I don't use it for everything though. When will you do the next stream? Okay, because we're releasing in April, it is very likely it's this week. Well, it has to be this week if we're releasing in April. Why do you use Chrome? I think because it's the fastest, or one of the fastest, at least, browsers. I think I like Google, like, releasing in April, that is correct. I also have Firefox, but that's just for more test coverage, I guess. Okay. Use Brave. I've heard of that. Yeah, I'm a bit conservative when it comes to browsers. I just like to stick with one, then try loads of them. Let's see, the Brave browser. Oh, so it's... Yeah, a lot of browsers are based on Chromium, and if you didn't know, Chromium's like Google Chrome, but with less features. And it is built by the same people. And it is also open source, so I could make my own browser if I ripped off their code, but technically they made it. Linux looks like Mac OS. I guess it does a bit. I do see the resemblance. It has like... You can move the taskbar, by the way. It could be at the bottom to look more like Mac OS. But yeah. Okay, so we don't want to add it here. We only want to emit this. We don't need on in it anymore. Unless, oh yeah, we do actually. Actually we don't. We don't. Because we're already initializing all these services in the guards, which I loaded before this. Okay. Firefox, don't use Chromium. I think they are unique. Yeah. Not all browsers actually use Chromium. Hi, Supreme. Hi. That is only Ubuntu and it just touches the top of how a Linux desktop can look. Yeah. Yeah, I guess custom themes with Ubuntu are probably possible. Can you show me how it is getting on? Do a face reveal now. I'll show you how it's going in a minute. I just need to fix this. So add friend. When we add a friend, this is. Okay, so DM channel, we get that in args, possibly. There we go. Okay, let's go over the features right here. One more thing. We also need to update the friends, so sender and friend. So this not update friends. Okay. Okay, I kind of closed one browser. Let's get another one. I think this was the main account we were using. Okay, let's add optical as a friend. Okay, that. Hold on. So we did get it in sidebar. Is it still broken? No, it isn't. Okay, let me read chat. Hold on. Hello, Enrique. Okay, let's just do a demo of what is going on before we read chat. Okay, so blocked users. I can block, but currently we have to refresh for this to update. Yeah, it's kind of half loaded in. Okay. I'll fix this offline. I'll make all these features work offline, and when everything is ready, what I'm gonna do is stream the next part. I think these streams are planned on, are based on planning for the future, I guess. So this is what happens when you block a user. It says this user is blocked and the message content has been hidden. How does that work? Well, when we're getting all the messages, if the user is ignored, yeah, I'm gonna have to go in a minute, but if the user is ignored, then it's actually replaced here, the content. Okay, let me read a few messages. Yeah, I do need to go in 5 minutes. Actually, I need to go now, so YouTube is not allowing me to send the other part of my hosting explanation. Can I contact you on your Discord server later? Okay. Okay, I'll try to read the messages. Oreo. Yeah, I do need to go. But next stream, the plan is to release this as an alpha release. And it will be located at accord.app. The docs are already live, but there's not much going on here. You can see some screenshots here. This stream was mostly based on answering messages, chat. So, thank you for watching. So, the stream should be before, should be before the 1st, because it should be on April, so Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday or Friday. They are the possible dates that we could stream on. It might start earlier as well. We might go for an earlier start time. There we go. Thank you for watching. Sorry if this stream is short, but it was mostly an update stream. Thank you.